Hello, I'm Dr. Shushmita Roy Chaudhary, Director Pulmonology, Fortis Hospital, Kolkata. You ask me, is chronic cough always a lung problem? You'll be surprised to know the answer is no. So you can have a chronic cough only as a symptom to many diseases. That can start all the way from your nose, if you have a postnasal drip, if you have nasal allergy, that can cause cough. If your acid levels are high, that can cause cough. It's called GERD. And if you have asthma, that can cause cough. Above all, you can also have cough if you have cardiac disease. Sometimes cough may be just the only symptom when somebody has chronic heart failure. So cough can have multiple reasons. It's just a symptom. Go see your doctor if it is bothersome, especially in our country, to exclude TB if you've had it more than 2 weeks. So go see your doctor if you have a cough more than 2 weeks.